Hi friends, welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. If you're new here, we would love to have you click subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications every time one of us uploads a new video. And I'm Kim, and I'm going to be playing with some inlaid die cutting techniques today. I've got this really great lattice wood frame cover die that I'm using, and then I've also got this beautiful thank you die with this gorgeous shadow die for behind it. So I've gone ahead and die cut a couple things out here, and you can see how beautiful this shadow die is. I did that in a darker pink, and then I cut out the thank you, and I think this goes like this. There we go. And then the U fits in here, and it actually comes in two pieces, just like that. So I will glue that down on there. Isn't it beautiful? I've also die cut out this cover die piece in both white and pink. I've poked out the stuff, so I've got all the pieces for both of these here, and I'm just going to make one today, but this is a great two-for card. I just only have time to make one, and I decided that I wanted to do white with pink inlaid inside it. So I'm going to save this pink one. I'll put it aside. I've got a card base I'm going to use today. This is a 2 size card. This is a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card. So the base is 4 1/4 by 11. I scored and folded it at 5.5. I will be gluing this down on top, and you can see there's a tiny bit of white border around the edge, which I love. I also pulled out some of the coffee pearl mix here, and I thought that I would like the brown with the pink. So I'll see how I feel at the end. I have tons of different color pearls, so I have lots of them to choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and actually just add some glue to the frame part of this. I'm just going to add dots of glue. I really like these little tube glues. They're working pretty well for me, and they dry clear and matte, so that always makes me happy. There we go. And then I'm just going to go ahead and glue this down to the card base that I have here and get it as centered on the card front as I can. Since it's white on white, it's not too critical, which is nice. So I'm going to move those white ones aside, and then now it's just a matter of, I've got my reverse tweezers. I like to use those for this kind of thing. So now it's just a matter of putting a drop of glue in a few of these, and I just do a few at a time, and then I'm going to take my reverse tweezers and just fit the pieces in just like that. I just give it a little tap there, and then go with the next one. Just like that, and again, just get a little tap with the reverse tweezers to really push it down in. And I usually turn on, when I'm doing a technique like this, I usually turn on a movie or something on TV and go ahead and watch TV while I do this. And what I love about this card is it's going to look really intricate, and I do have some little bits here that I need to trim off. I think I need new die cutting plates for my machine. They're pretty warped, and I feel like they're going, at least one of them is on the verge of snapping. So, and I only had to run this through once. It's really a beautiful beautiful cover die, and the Cat Scrappiness dies cut beautifully, just like that. And then I'm just going to keep doing this until I have this entirely filled in. Okay, so I have all of the pieces in. Isn't that pretty? I also glued the words onto the shadow die, and I'm just going to add glue to add this to the card. Now, one thing I always want to make sure that I do is open up my card so I know which side is the top and which side is the bottom. And I'm just going to place that in the middle, just like that. So, so pretty. And then I just want to add a couple of pearls. I'm going to place these first. Okay, there we go. And that completes my card. Very quick and easy thank you card, and it's very elegant looking. So thank you so much for watching, friends. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Make sure you check out the links below for the products that I've used today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.